I have a very special house here for you. In fact, the last buy level I listed about 2 weeks ago went over asking in the Upper Greenwood Lake area of West Milford. I am actually in the lower part of West Milford, which a lot of people really like, and this is on Upper Mountain Glen Lake. You have access to the lake from the house, even though it's not technically a lakefront. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath bi-level plus an office, 1-car garage, but this is really what's going to sell this house. We've got an amazing half-acre, semi-fenced with a water feature, and the access to the lake is right down there, but this is an amazing football field, flat backyard, at least for these areas, and coming on the market tomorrow, as always. Open house this Sunday, and if you don't hurry, this one will be gone too.